Hi, good afternoon. This is Hemant Sharma, founder the IITians Hub. Today I am going to share some of my views and experience regarding IIT in general and preparation for IIT JEE in particular. So, this particular session we will be talking about why IIT is considered as one of the top rated institute center of excellence in India, how to prepare for IIT JEE, what are the advantage of preparing for IIT JEE. So these things I will be discussing in detail in today's session. So to begin with, let me tell you, IIT is considered to be one of the most prestigious center of excellence in India across all streams in general, because across the globe, India or Indians are by and large known with a brand which has been built by the IIT alumni in due course of time after independence. And IIT is actually a dream, but yes, which has been cherished by very few. So it's a dream which everybody should think of and everybody should opt for. So in this regard, first of all, let me share you. Let me put it. I'm sharing a screen just to have a clear-cut idea. These are some of the old IITs which are considered as top premier colleges in India as far as engineering education is concerned. So engineering and technology, India is known to the world with a brand name called IITs. Now, before coming to what actual engineering stream is or what is being done by the IIT so far, is being done or has been done by the IIT so far, let me tell you one thing very frankly. If you look at the success stories by the people around IIT or the IITian who has succeeded in different aspects across the globe, then you will find something probably which you might not have noticed so far. For example, if I ask you to name some of the well-known famous IITians, then this list consists, this list consists of so many people who are actually not practicing engineering at all in their professional career. And in the field of engineering technology also IITians has succeeded in much bigger way. So just to tell you, for example, in politics, Manohar Parrikar, Chief Minister of Goa, Sundar Pichai, CEO Google, Raghuram Rajan, ex-governor RBI, as I said, Manohar Parrikar was Defense Minister, Chief Minister of Goa also. So, let me tell you, politician. In politics, another name which is very famous these days, Arvind Kejriwal. I'm just, penning down some names, especially those which you all guys might be familiar with, that's why. Apart from this, in writing, you might have heard of Chetan Bhagat. You might have heard of Varun Grover. He is a very known poet these days, poet and lyricist. If you know, a song, Dam Laga Ke Haisa, movie, Moh Moh Ke Dhage. So these are some these are some people who did extremely well, even in the sector which is beyond engineering and technology. So my submission is IIT, this brand IIT is not known only for engineering and technology, but in each and every field across the globe, these IITians have proved themselves as one of the most intellectual, hardworking, and result-oriented professionals. Chetan Bhagat, he is IIT and IIM both. Afterwards, he finally became writer. The famous book 5 Point, most of the people might have heard also, some of you might have read as well. So my point is, this brand IIT is not only known for engineering and technology, but much beyond that. Let me share you some story. For example, Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai is an IIT graduate from IIT Kharagpur in a stream metallurgical engineering. Afterwards, he did MS also in the same field from Stanford. Then he did MBA, and afterwards, finally, definitely working for different companies. He settled himself in Google, the coding and artificial intelligence is his core strength, and he succeeded as a CEO of Google. Next to him, if I talk about Manohar Parrikar, he was very active in, politics. I'm just saying this because for consecutive 3 years in IIT hostel in IIT Bombay, he was General Secretary of Mess Management Committee. In Mess Management Committee, after serving for 3 consecutive years as a General Secretary, he was very praised for his good job. And finally, he succeeded as one of the most honest, most efficient politicians. And finally, he is no more. But up till now, he is regarded as one of the honest politicians. Apart from him, let me talk about Varun Grover. Varun Grover is BTech in Civil Engineering from IIT BHU. He is one of the very known stand-up comedian these days. Apart from stand-up comedy, he is a poet, well-known poet. He is a lyricist as well. He got a Best Lyricist Award in Filmfare for the song very popular, Moh Moh Ke Dhage. So my point is, in citing these examples to you, my point is, those people who have been trained in IITs or those who prepare for the IITs, in due course of time, they by default develop their analytical skill to such an extent that whichever professional life or hobby or anything in future he or she pursue, he will definitely excel in that. And this fact has been established by those examples which I have been citing since last 5 minutes. Now, as far as journey to this IIT is concerned, definitely going by the statistics, it's a difficult exam. But again, I'm telling you, going by the statistics. Statistics means if around, let's say, 12 to 15 lakhs people are appearing for 10,000, 12,000 seats, then this particular statistics explains that, yes, this particular competitive examination is very difficult. But beyond this statistics, if you talk about based on the methodology of preparation and all, beyond these statistics, if you think of, then based on my experience as a teacher, as well as a student, I would say that IIT JEE is not a difficult exam, but yes, it's a different exam. So I would consider if preparation of IIT JEE is being done in the way it should have, then I will definitely say IIT is not a difficult exam, rather a different exam. A proper approach, proper methodology, proper hard work is being put in, then you will realize IIT JEE is not a difficult exam at all. By statistics, it may look as one of the difficult exam because uh, from 15 lakhs student, only 10 to 12,000 students are being taken into IIT. So this statistics definitely shows that IIT entrance is a difficult, but this is looking at the academic perspective. I would say that IIT is not a difficult but a different exam, and a person may find it easy as well if preparation is done in the way it should have. Apart from this IIT, there are several NITs, several state funded colleges as well who are doing good. See, since 12 to 15 lakhs people are fighting for a seat in IIT JEE, and only 10 to 12,000 are those who finally get into IIT. So remaining students who could not get into IIT, they usually think of NITs, other state funded colleges, and some of the private good colleges as well. They are also, up to some extent, as good as IIT. Few of them, not all. Few of NITs are at least as good as new IITs, I can say. So one should not, think of this statistics that if I am unlucky, then I will not get into IIT and everything is over. It's not like that. Even if you are not getting into IIT, but you have prepared well, then you must land up somewhere in good state funded engineering colleges, good NITs, and few good private engineering colleges as well, like BITS, Pilani and all. So preparation for IIT JEE is a must. I think every 11th, 12th science students, those who have taken mathematics in class 11th and 12th, must prepare for this competitive examination, because the scope of this competitive examination is much beyond than just getting a seat in IIT or any engineering college. So this preparation of IIT JEE preparation is altogether a life-changing experience. Believe me, getting into IIT or getting into good engineering college is just one of the outcome. But if you prepare well for IIT JEE entrance examination, then it's not only a seat in engineering college, it's a life-changing experience. Because the quantum of effort, the methodology, the analytical skill which you will be applying day in and day out during this preparation will give you an edge over common people in each and every aspect of your life. So it's a life-changing experience. So whenever I say it's a life-changing experience, it means every kind of, analytical intelligence is one thing, but emotional intelligence, team building, team management, there are so many skills which will be fruitful in coming days. All these skills will get developed if you prepare well for this IIT JEE entrance examination. So my moral of the story is, as I said, every science student who has taken mathematics in 11th and 12th must prepare for IIT JEE examination, irrespective of the fact that they are getting admission in IIT or NIT or other engineering colleges. Everything is, irrespective of final outcome, one must prepare for this IIT entrance examination. Now, as I mentioned, some example from each and every field. From writing, I said Chetan Bhagat, Varun Grover. In movie making, also. In singing, also. In politics, also. In finance, also. Raghuram Rajan, Subbarao. These two people were RBI governor. One of them, if I remember correctly, Raghuram Rajan is an electrical engineering graduate from IIT Delhi. Subbarao sir is from IIT Madras stream, I don't remember. So they are the example through which we can think of the fact that IITians are doing extremely well, not only in science and technology, but in almost all professions across the globe. Now, coming to the methodology and preparation part. As I said, IIT, since students passing out from IITs are doing good in each and every profession, it means definitely these students must have a good out of the box thinking skill and good analytical skill as well. So very first thing is, to crack IIT JEE, you have to sharpen your mind such that you should be analytically sound enough to tackle new problems. And these kind of skills, knowingly or unknowingly, get developed during IIT JEE preparation. Because as you might have heard of, in past 42, 43 years, not even a single question in IIT has been repeated. But as far as the board, schools and university examinations are concerned, it's the other way around. There are certain set of questions which is being asked repeatedly in past 10 to 12 years. On the other hand, as I said, in IIT, questions are not being repeated. Every year, efforts are taken in such a way that new question can be asked. So for a student, definitely, whenever any student get in touch with IIT paper for the first time during examination hall, 99% questions will be those which they have not they have not seen him before. It's a fact. 80% questions will be those which has not been seen by even teachers like us. But if we train our brain in such a way that even though the same problem has not been solved earlier in class, in school, in notebook, but yes, a student is having a capability to tackle these new problems on its own, then our job is done. This is the only thing which is needed in IIT JEE preparation. Otherwise, physics, chemistry, mathematics, subject knowledge is not an issue. Subject knowledge one can gather from book, from teacher, from class note, from videos and here and there. But those formula, those conceptual knowledge can be applied to a real life problem solving only when you have trained your brain in such a way that you can tackle any new problem easily on your own without losing your emotions, without losing your temper, without running out of time. So altogether, this particular IIT JEE preparation will prepare you for a new skill of problem solving in terms of science, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And in this 2-year preparation and afterwards 4 year in IIT, this 6-7 years, if you spend in this particular atmosphere and environment, then definitely your brain will get trained in such a way that wherever you see a problem, wherever there is a problem, a general person will see a problem, but you will be a habit of finding solution of it. And this has been proved by these particular people about which I have been telling since beginning. That's why this brand IIT is known by these people across the globe. Number 2 fact. Once you get a brand tag of IIT, then in professional life, believe me, you will get a red carpet welcome everywhere. Everywhere, irrespective of your capability and all. If you have a brand tag of IIT with you, associated with you, then you will get a red carpet welcome in your professional life. This is for sure. So this particular, brand IIT, if you acquire after getting into IIT and completion of engineering degree, afterwards you will have a liberty up to some extent to choose a career according to your wish, not according to the subject for which you have been trained. Because had it been so, in that case, those people who are doing extremely good in writing, finance, comedy, movie making and everything, they are those people who has not been trained for these things. But since they are having exceptionally good analytical skill, extrapolation skill, observation skill, out of the box thinking, that's why even though they are not trained for that particular profession, they are doing extremely good even in that also. What I would like to point out is, if you are having brand IIT tag with you, then you will be allowed to choose a profession of your own interest, irrespective of degree which you are having. This kind of liberty only those people can enjoy who has a brand tag of these premier colleges. I am talking specifically about IIT, but all center of excellence. There are some center of excellence in management, economics as well, IIMs you might have heard of. So these India's center of excellence will give you a brand tag. And that brand tag will give you a red carpet welcome to your professional life. And above all, these brand tag will give you a liberty to experiment with your profession, to pursue profession of any other fields, probably for which you might not have trained for. So that's why every year I say all parents as well as a student, irrespective of result, even though students are not getting into IIT, whether they will get a seat in IIT or not, that's a different story altogether. But at least let them prepare for IIT JEE, because this particular preparation period of 2 years will give a student altogether different thought process, different perspective, different kind of analytical skills, which later on will be helpful in each and every aspect of life. For example, if a student is preparing for IIT Advanced, due to some reason he couldn't get a seat in IIT. But if he has prepared in the way it should have, then definitely all other competitive examinations like JEE Mains, CET, other state engineering examination, they will do extremely good. All these examinations would appear cakewalk for him, just because of the fact that he has prepared for the examination like IIT JEE, which is of highest difficulty level. So every student should prepare for this IIT JEE examination, not only for getting a seat in IIT, but for the benefit in each and every aspect of his upcoming life. Third point, how to prepare for IIT JEE. Earlier, when if I remember my days, earlier IIT JEE preparation used to be a 1 year program. FITGI and all, they used to have a 1 year program in which students of class 12 or drop out, they go for coaching, they prepare there and they get into IIT. This kind of system over there. Nowadays, since it's a cutthroat competition, students, parents are quite aware these days. There are students who has been preparing since 9th and 10th as well. So in that scenario, it has been converted into a 2-year coaching or 2-year training program in these days. But still, if anyone want to start preparation from class 12th, then there are certain topics from class 11th standard which need to be revised, reoriented, or should be some chapters in each subject, physics, chemistry, and mathematics, need to have a strong conceptual clarity. If this is so, then even 1 year preparation of class 12th, along with these fundamental concepts of class 11th, few chapters, I will come on this. What are the chapters need to be focused on, which is in class 12th. So few chapters of class 11th with good concept clarity, along with complete 1 year of class 12th. These two mix around 16 month, 12 month, 16 month kind of time preparation is also good enough to get a good rank in IIT JEE. Coming to the chapters which need to be focused of class 11th standard, in each physics, chemistry, and mathematics, I would like to tell you that as far as physics is concerned, Newton's laws of motion, friction, work power energy, center of mass, and rotational mechanics. These 5 chapters from 11th standard. In these 5 chapters, Newton's laws of motion, friction, and circular motion, that much deep concept building is not required as far as problem solving is concerned, because in later chapter, concept of these chapters will be used. So automatically these chapters will get prepared in due course of time. So few chapters of class 11th need to be focused in coming 1 and 2 months. Same with chemistry and mathematics. And once this is done, then if anyone concentrate for 12 to 14 months at a stretch with complete standard 12th syllabus, then also I think IIT JEE can be tackled. So our strategy, those who are little late in preparation, because in this academic year, since colleges and all institutions were shut due to COVID-19, most of the students I interacted with, few of the students I interacted with and parents, their preparation has not been started so far. So my submission to those parents and students is, some chapters of class 11th should, if revised properly and have a deep concept, deep conceptual understanding can be done of those chapters, then complete class 12 syllabus along with that chapter preparation is sufficient enough to crack IIT JEE. Now, as far as chapters are concerned, in physics, I have already said. In chemistry and mathematics, I would like to suggest what all chapter is needed. Just a second. Just a second. For chemistry, mole concept and stoichiometry, chemical bonding, and in organic chemistry, GOC, that is general organic chemistry, and reaction mechanism. So these 3 chapters, if these chapters has been done with deep conceptual understanding, then rest of the chemistry syllabus of class 12 can easily be tackled. In mathematics, if I say quadratic equation, sequence and series, in coordinate geometry, straight lines and circle, in algebra again, binomial theorem, permutation combination, and complex number. These 5 chapters need to be focused on from class 11th in mathematics. So this physics, chemistry, and mathematics, these are some chapters from class 11th which need to be focused, need to be revised, need to have a deep conceptual understanding. If these five chapters, 5, 3, 4, whatever be the number of chapters are there, if these chapters of class 11th is being revised with deep conceptual understanding, then rest of the class 12 chapter can be prepared based on these fundamentals, and even this IIT JEE examination can be tackled with the help of this. So those students who are still very late, has not started their preparation, I think need not worry. But coming 14 to 16 month at a stretch preparation will give him fair chance to tackle this IIT JEE examination. Now, apart from this, there are some standard books which need to be followed. So those list of books and everything we will share. But in general, I would like to say that some psychological changes need to be adapted. Like one should have curious mind. Like one should have, one should develop, understanding of concept rather than just rote learning of formula. Because what happens most of the time, since school we are in this particular habit that we are putting some numbers to some variables in a formula, and after calculation we get the output. By repeating these kind of formula based question, we are under impression that we are preparing well. I have done these many questions today and all. But believe me, practicing only this formula based question will not give you an edge. Because by solving formula based question, you are just enhancing your colloquial skill. Putting some value in an equation and getting result out of it is just I think it just reflects your colloquial skill, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And definitely IIT is not going to test you for that skill. That's why since beginning I have been telling that deep conceptual understanding of subject is very much required. Formula-based approach in IIT JEE is not required, as well as is detrimental. It hinders your thought process. So you should have a curious mind. You should have an ability to think beyond formula. Third thing, you should have ability to solve a question is in as many ways as possible. These are brain exercise actually. So practicing these things for coming 10 months, you will have I would say you may adapt a habit of tackling new questions, unseen questions, which you might not have seen during your preparation examination. But once this particular habit get developed of solving new questions with your conceptual understanding, then believe me, you will definitely solve the questions of IIT JEE in stipulated time. And once this is done, IIT JEE, as you know, it's a low scoring exam. 35-40% marks in actual JEE is good enough to get into IIT. So that's why since beginning I said IIT JEE is not a difficult exam, it's a different exam. Different means the preparation of IIT JEE needs a different strategy, different thought process, different different kind of skill set altogether. So all these, combining all these things, I should say, if being done properly, IIT JEE, you may find an easy exam, or this preparation journey, you may find, I mean, uh, such an experience which you will remember forever. So with all these things, I would like to give you all the best. Those who want to prepare for IIT JEE starting from class 12th itself, need not worry. Focus on few particular chapters from class 11, make a actual concept, I mean, build a in-depth concept of that chapter and start your preparation from class 12th. So coming 8, 9, 10, 12 months, if you are preparing at a stage, then IIT JEE is not a difficult thing. Probably you may get into IIT. So that's all from today. All the best.